Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing some scooter top tips and tricks. So I welcomed you to my friend Alid. Hello. So he is going to be showing you some top tips and tricks today. So let's go with it. Okay, so first we're going to demonstrate a bunny hop. So my friend Alid will demonstrate this one. Hello. So the first thing you have to do is just keep both feet on there and then almost practice lifting your front wheel up, and you have to pull, and then practice lifting your other wheel up, and then after a few days or hours it might look like this. Okay, so that was how to do a bunny hop. Next, bunny hop down the ledge. So let's get started. So what we're going to do first is, like last time, a bunny hop. Pretty easy now. You need to try and work on getting a bit higher. And see this ledge here? That's the one that we're going to work on today. So first up, you need to get lots of space and a good run up. And make sure you have at least 2 pushes to get off and get started. So first of all, we're going to get 2 pushes and then hop like one. Now, if you can't do that immediately, something else to help you get started is this. So you go up and then place your foot and then put your scooter down. So now we are doing a wheelie, and after this we'll be doing a nose thing. I don't know what it's called. So first off, a wheelie. You're going to need to get not too much speed, and you're going to push off. Lift your handlebars up like that and that, and make sure not to do it too hard or you might go like that, and we don't want that to happen. For the next bit, which is like a nose dive, you're going to want to definitely wear a helmet for this bit, and you're going to want to like go forwards and like almost lean forwards and lift your back wheel up. Okay? My cat has interrupted the video. Meow. For this bit, you'll need a pegged scooter. Okay, let's get started. Whoop. And now, for this bit, first of all, just like a bunny hop, and what we just did, a bunny hop off the ledge. So, first of all, you need your pegs. You'll need 2 pegs as well to go onto there, and then put them both on there, and then first of all, you might not know how to do it, so you'll do this first. You can do this first. You can put that leg there, and then go like that. But after you've done that a bit, you might want to send it. It might look a little bit like this. So, that's good. Okay, now, if you're new to scooting, we recommend knee pads and a helmet, because they will protect you and we don't want anyone getting hurt.